Okay, this is our next topic, basic integration. So this is our formula. The integral at x raised to the power of n. So that is equal to x raised to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, so let's have example number 1. The integral at x raised to the power of 2. Okay, so yung n natin is 2. So therefore, x raised to the power of 2 plus 1. Okay, n plus 1. Then over n plus 1, yung n natin is 2, di ba? So 2 plus 1, so plus c. Okay, so equals x raised to the power of 3 or x cubed over 2 plus 1 is 3 plus c. So this is our final answer. Okay, let's have number 2. The integral at x raised to the power of 5. So again, yung n natin is equal to 5. So therefore, x raised to the power of 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 plus c. So, okay, so equals x raised to the power of 6. 5 plus 1 is 6 over 5 plus 1 is 6. So plus c. So this is our final answer. Okay.